Hello everyone. Today let us learn how to do note making. Note making includes notes, abbreviations key and summary. Under notes, we have to give title, most suitable title to the whole passage, and we write headings according to important paragraphs. If some paragraph is less important or it covers the same points, we can merge it into longer paragraph, and then we write down the points which are included, which are a part of heading. Then abbreviations key. Certain abbreviations or short forms are used in notes. Those short forms should be written in box, and their proper word also should be written along with it. Summary should not be written more than 80 words. Now let us see certain points which we should remember. Read the paragraph as quickly as possible because you do not have too much time. Underline main points and keywords while reading the passage. These points and keywords only you can use in your notes. Use recognizable abbreviations or short forms. These abbreviations should be clear. When somebody reads, somebody should be able to make out what word you are using. Do not write notes in complete sentences. Notes should not be written in complete sentences. We can use some keywords from the passage, phrases from the passage, or we can frame our own terms or words in order to explain the idea given in the passage. We should omit or avoid writing articles in the helping verbs, is, am, are, was, were, determiners, some, few, many. So such kind of words we can avoid. Connectors also we can avoid if they are not mandatory, if they are not important to say your thing, and can be written as symbol and or as slash. Certain point is repeated in two paragraph or in the same paragraph, or it is elaborated or explained further. Certain things are described. Such kind of things we should avoid. We should only write down the main point. We should keep our notes short and precise according to the idea, according to the thing which is said, which is being talked in the passage, and it should be to the point. We should take care of the indentation. Is when three separate things are written, they should be written with separate indentation. For example, notes I have written with one indent, and the things which are covered in notes that I have written with separate indent. So this is called indentation, which we should take care. At the end, we should give our notes a most suitable title. After completing the notes only, we can decide which is the most suitable title. It should be written in the beginning of the notes, but we should try to find out the title when we complete our notes. Out of the notes only, we should take out the title. Moving to the second thing, key to abbreviations. All the abbreviations which are used in notes, we should write in a box after the notes, and full form of abbreviations also should be written. For example, if you have written IMP for important in your notes, first write IMP and then you write down full word important. It should be kept in a box, and we should not use more than one abbreviation for one point. If you use too many abbreviations for one point, that point may not be clear. Examiner may not be able to understand what you want to say. And we should not include a number as abbreviation. Then summary. Same points and subpoints which we have made for notes can be used in summary. We can pick out important sentences from passage also, but then we have to change the language. And for summary, we should maintain grammatical accuracy. and sentence structure should be correct. For notes, there is no structure of sentence, but in summary, we should follow grammar and sentence structure as well as spelling should be correct. Abbreviations should not be used in summary and paragraph should not be divided. Now quickly, let's see the format for making notes. First of all, title in the beginning, and it should be written in center, it should be underlined. Then we should give first heading, and there should be at least minimum 4 headings. They can be more, 5, 6, 7 according to the paragraphs, as I told you earlier. And within heading, we should write down subheadings or points which say something about the headings with separate indent. There can be sub points of these points. They should be written with separate indent. Then we can continue with making headings of next paragraphs, then points. Let us quickly solve a question. This is a passage. Money is a non-negotiable, indispensable commodity in every person's life. The possession of money is itself a resource, and the usage of it can help to acquire resources. All the things we use in our lives have monetary value, whether directly or indirectly. Money's power is indisputable after power of faith or self-belief in human life. We can easily see that first paragraph is about importance of money, power of money, and what it does for our life. So this can be avoided or it can be used as the title. With money, you can often rule today's materialistic world. If you have enough money, poverty will never approach you. Contrary to what most people think, it is not money or the love of money which is the root of evil. It is greed. Love of money is not the root of evil, but it is greed. A love of power and authority, poverty, and a fear of want, which are often the roots of evil in this world. Money is just a humble agent in this scenario because money helps to create power and authority. It helps to eliminate poverty. It helps to eliminate wants, especially if the wants are related to commercial and even human interaction, as most human interaction in the modern world is now commercialized. So the second paragraph is about what money does. It does many things. You can maintain your health. So we can very well see that third paragraph is about how money helps us maintain our health. Even though you cannot rule your health, money helps you with that. With modern healthcare increasing human longevity, money can help you to improve your health by letting you lead a comfortable and healthy lifestyle. If you spend money on healthcare, whether it may be spending on diet and nutrition, working out, or just taking medication. A lot of people globally postpone health checkups because they do not have enough money to pay the healthcare bills. Again, money's role in health maintenance is irrefutable. So we can see that this paragraph is about health. People get quality medical care only when they are able to pay for the services in terms of credit card or cash. If they do not have money, they can only dream of going to doctor and get medicinal treatment. It is required to meet the charges of the doctor and cost of medicinal manufacturing. So this is again about how to maintain health with the help of money. Money can definitely buy happiness. Now the idea has changed. So these two paragraphs are about health. They can be clubbed in one heading. Money can definitely buy happiness. People with money can buy homes. And vehicles of their choice. They can rule the roost in the materialistic world if they are able to fulfill the wishes. Individual would not feel jealous of others. They are happy and contented as money can fund their lavish style of living. So this is about how money makes us happy. No matter what people say, money is still the barometer of success. Individuals who have got a huge bank balance and live a flashy lifestyle, skill, courage, appearance, personality, power, and prestige are parameters to judge a person, and they can only be achieved with the help of money. So we can see how it is a barometer of success because it gives bank balance, flashy lifestyle, and certain parameters like skill, courage, and all. So this is about what money does for us. As while reading only we have underlined the points, those points only I have changed into notes. First was about the title, the importance of money, and that I have changed into a beautiful title, indisputable power of money. We can also write simply significance of money in human life. So first heading for first important paragraph is what it does. Money buying resources, to acquire resources, and so many things which it buys. It creates power and authority. It eliminates poverty and wants. It is important in commercialized world. You can see that I have used these points: power and authority, poverty, wants, and all the commercial needs. Then next is about health. So I have made notes for the next paragraph: increasing human longevity, how human life is increased by leading comfortable and healthy lifestyle. What things are included in healthy lifestyle? Diet and nutrition, workout, healthy checkups. And one more thing is quality medical care, quality medicinal treatment. They are two different things: medical care and medicinal treatment after you get sick. Next paragraph was about happiness. So, how we can buy happiness? By buying homes and vehicles of choice, fulfilling our wishes, and having a lavish lifestyle. If you remember the paragraph, these things were included. How it is barometer of success? It gives bank balance, flashy lifestyle, and it also helps us develop skills and personality traits. Certain abbreviations I have used, you can see power, PWR power, and IMP important, comfortable, nutrition. So these abbreviations only I have written in key to abbreviations. You can see they are not many. Minimum 4 abbreviations should be used. I have used 6. You can use maximum 7 or 8. Do not use too many abbreviations. You can see the format of making notes. First heading, I have started with this indent. Then the points which elaborate the heading, or they are subheadings with different indent. Number we can use with the first word. And when we are having subpoints of the points, we can use with next indent, starting with the first word of heading. Points, number should start with the first word of heading. I hope you understand. Now let us see how summary should be written. Those same points only you can turn into beautiful sentences. Money has indisputable power in human life. This is the heading. Heading I turned into sentence. It can buy all the resources in commercialized world. We don't need to write down all the resources. In summary, this is summary. Eliminates poverty and fulfills wishes. All the wishes are included in this one word. It increases human longevity, providing for diet, nutrition, workout, and quality medical care and treatment. It can buy happiness, buying homes, vehicles, and other needs for a lavish lifestyle. It can be termed as barometer of success as it improves bank balance, helps us lead flashy lifestyle, and develop skills and personality traits. So you can very well see that short summary is written using those notes only. So you don't need to give too much time to writing summary and writing notes. It is a quick thing and you should wrap up it within maximum 10 minutes. I hope you understand. Thank you. Keep watching my channel. Keep liking my video and subscribe my channel. All the best for your exams.